why did I do this? Why am I here? I was realizing like, how am I here? Like, it's so weird how I was like planned everything in London. I was like, okay, I'm gonna go to Japan. The beach, I was like, I can't believe this. Like the concept of like you can book something on your laptop and then be somewhere else. I don't know why I'm explaining this. It's literally like basic stuff. It's kind of scary that I'm like by myself here, but also like it's so freeing. I don't know if I should be saying this, but it's weird. I don't feel the need to like talk to anyone. Like I don't feel lonely. I just feel like at peace, just exploring things and just like... They have a sweet potato dumpling here and I can't find it and I need to try it. So hopefully I can find it tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna go to the beach. I hope it's not stormy tomorrow. Pray, manifest. Okay, bye, good night. Cheers. The beach is 2 kilometers away and no one is walking. There's only farmers here. What the fuck? It's so stunning. I made it. I can't believe that I was in London like a few weeks ago thinking, nah, I'm not gonna go to Japan, like thinking, oh, I want to go to the beach in Japan, and now I'm here. And I literally thought to myself, I was like, that's not possible, like I'm not gonna do that, and now I'm here. It's incredible. I don't know what to say really. I'm just like shook beyond words. Now I can leave. Now I can go back to London and I have seen the clear blue sea in Japan. So I'm gonna have breakfast. I'm gonna have my little vitamin C shot walk, and then I have like tofu salad and some onigiri. Yeah, that's my breakfast. What's up? Cheers. It's like pouring rain, but I have literally nowhere else to go, so I'm just gonna stay here until it stops. Zero to 100 like really quickly, and I'm staying here obviously because I need to wait for the bus. So yeah, hopefully it passes. The storm passed, and now I'm waiting for my bus. Eating seaweed on the beach. Cheers. there's only 2 buses per day, so there's one in the morning, and if I'm gonna get this one, and if I miss it, I'm stranded. I'm gonna get that one, and if I don't get it, or if it doesn't come, maybe I'll just sleep here. It's kind of nice. I hope it comes quickly because I feel like I'm literally like some spider's gonna come out. Made it, and the AC is on like full steam. I feel like I'm in a fridge right now. It's the best thing ever. Making so many friends in the bus. I'm literally getting my laundry out and it's so like warm. Literally only been traveling for a week and I don't know, but it's just so nice to have like fresh clothes. Literally no one cares, but it's so warm. Today was the best day ever, but I'm super red. It's kind of scary. I was just watching this video about Japan. Apparently I'm on the longevity island. Like Okinawa is like the longevity island. Like it's actually a blue zone. It's where people live the longest. And I had no idea. What the hell? Yeah, that's it. I'm leaving tomorrow. I've packed my bags. And kind of sad to be leaving, but also I can't wait to go back to Tokyo and explore more of like the mainland of Japan. I'm super happy I got to explore a bit of Okinawa, although I couldn't really relax. I feel like I would need like 7 days to like relax. I feel kind of like restless all the time. The clear water was like my number one. This is like the main reason that I came to Japan. Yeah, so basically tomorrow I'm going back to Tokyo, and then the day after I'm waking up super early to go to the mountains like 4 hours away from Tokyo, somewhere called Matsumoto, and it looks insane. Super excited for that, but yeah. So tomorrow I have like nothing planned. I'm just gonna wake up late and then take the bus and go into town and buy some snacks. That's mainly because I don't have a car, otherwise I'd be doing a lot more stuff. So yeah, if you come to Okinawa, definitely rent a car. Don't be like me, because I think I've walked a total of like 20 hours and I've been here for like 3 days. And now my legs are sunburnt and I can't move. I don't know if anyone has ever had this, like sunburnt so bad, but it feels like I've been stung by jellyfish. I feel like someone is like putting hot pans on my legs. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this vlog. In the next vlog, unless you hated this one, unless you like hated it like a lot and like a lot. Okay, good night. Bye. Yeah, I wish I was staying longer, but I've got to speed through Japan. Running out of money. Okay, good night.